Craig Universal Benches are versatile workbenches tailored for woodworking projects. Built from 2x4S plywood and fortified with metal brackets, they're both durable and adaptive. They come in varied sizes, with features such as adjustable height, a reversible work surface, and a tool storage compartment. These benches cater to woodworkers of all expertise levels, promoting enhanced productivity, accuracy, and safety. However, while they present a great value, potential drawbacks include a higher price point and potentially less sturdiness compared to custom-built workbenches. Overall, they are a commendable choice for a multifunctional workbench. The Blue Spruce Toolworks Chisel Plane seamlessly blends the characteristics of a chisel and a plane. Its sharp 1-inch blade is set in a durable aluminum body, available in black or the distinct blue spruce green. With an ergonomic handle choice of cocobolo, African blackwood, or resin-infused maple, it's tailored for various woodworking tasks. Whether trimming dovetails, addressing glue residue, or shaping curved surfaces, it proves invaluable. No preliminary setup is needed due to its intuitive design. While it offers multifunctionality, its price point is a consideration. It may not substitute all specialized tools, but remains a notable woodworking asset. The Infinity Router Fence Micro-Adjust stands as a gold standard in woodworking tools, embodying the fusion of meticulous design and functionality. This exceptional adjustment kit, furnished with a dial indicator, robust base plate, and guide rods, pledges adjustments with an astounding precision of 0.1 inches. Specifically engineered for impeccable joinery cuts, its user-friendly installation comprises an effortless mount of the base plate and a subsequent guided fence alignment. Essential features encapsulate its unparalleled accuracy, intuitive usage, construction from premium-grade materials, and impressive longevity. For passionate woodworkers, the returns are clear. Amplified accuracy, augmented joinery efficiency, and consistently superior outcomes. The Rockler Perfect Fit Stair Tread and Shelf Gauge is an indispensable tool, brilliantly designed for those precise cuts required for stair treads, risers, and shelving. Crafted from robust aluminum, this gauge boasts a sliding base adjustable for various material widths and dual angle finders tailored to align with wall angles. Its functionality is straightforward. Align between surfaces, adjust the angle finders to walls, and mark your material. Such precision ensures impeccably fitting stair components and shelves, eliminating guesswork. Key features encompass its adaptability to diverse material widths, intuitive angle adjustments, and durable make. Dual angle. The benefits are manifold. Precise measurements, time savings, error reduction, and lending a professional touch to woodworking projects. The Craig VersaGrip clamps stand out in the realm of woodworking tools, uniquely designed for versatility. These bar clamps feature a movable jaw, adjustable along the bar, and can reverse, accommodating varied woodworking requirements like pocket hole joints, face frames, and edge banding. Ease of use is prominent, with a ratcheting mechanism facilitating swift clamping and a one-handed release lever. Among their features are a quick clamp movable jaw, removable head, compatibility with Craig jigs through an integrated adapter, ergonomic design, easy release trigger, a robust 300 lb, clamping force, and a durable plastic polymer construction. They promise versatility in woodworking applications, user-friendliness, durability, and great value. The Rockler Rocksteady Knockdown Table Saw Outfeed Kit is a game-changer for woodworking enthusiasts, providing an easily removable outfeed table solution. Its foldability ensures efficient space usage, making it convenient for workshops with space constraints. Crafted from top-notch materials, this sturdy kit comes with a customizable top, making it adaptable to diverse requirements. Its user-friendly design guarantees a hassle-free assembly and disassembly process. Additionally, it boasts an adjustable height feature to cater to various saw types and user preferences. Key benefits include an extended work surface, support for longer workpieces, enhanced precision in cuts, increased safety through kickback mitigation, and personalizable configurations. The OS Cool Honing Guide Sharpening Jig offers an affordable yet effective solution for woodworkers keen on maintaining the sharpness of their chisels and plane blades. Crafted from durable anodized aluminum, this lightweight jig is not only robust, but also portable, perfect for on-the-go jobs. A standout feature is its adjustability, accommodating different blade widths with ease. Additionally, the inclusion of a guide rod ensures that tools are sharpened at the optimal angle, eliminating guesswork. Woodworkers can reap benefits like cost savings, tool longevity, consistent sharpening angles, and adaptability with different sharpening stones. Among its key features are its robust construction, portability, user-friendliness, and adjustable slots for varied blade sizes. The Festool CS-SYS 50 cordless table saw is an innovation tailored for woodworkers constantly on the move. This battery-powered unit, backed by dual 18-volt batteries, promises portability without compromising on performance. With a commendable cutting reach of 280 mm rip and a 450 mm crosscut, this saw caters to diverse cutting needs. Its beveling capacity, ranging from 2 degrees to 47 degrees, ensures angled cuts are smooth and precise. Moreover, Festool has integrated a dust extraction mechanism, ensuring your workspace remains pristine. Its compact design is an undeniable advantage for those frequently transitioning between job sites. The saw's battery operation, high-quality build, and adaptability position, it is an invaluable asset for any craftsman. The Rockler 6-inch heavy-duty spring-loaded bar clamp stands out as an indispensable tool for woodworking enthusiasts. Crafted meticulously from a blend of glass-reinforced nylon and steel, this clamp promises both durability and strength. With an impressive clamping force of 300 pounds, combined with a throat depth of 3,300, 125 inches, it's tailored to handle a wide range of tasks. The thoughtful inclusion of non-marring thermoplastic rubber on the jaws ensures that your workpiece remains pristine, free from any unwanted marks or impressions. This clamp is particularly handy for tasks that require robust clamping strength, from gluing panels together to securely holding pieces during intricate operations like drilling or sawing. Its user-friendly design ensures ease of operation, even for novices. In essence, if a durable, versatile, and easy-to-operate clamp is on your wish list, the Rockler 6-inch heavy-duty spring-loaded bar clamp should be at the top of your considerations. The Bridge City HG4 Honing Guide stands as an exemplar in woodworking tools, blending design and utility effortlessly. Crafted meticulously from anodized aluminum, this robust guide promises long-lasting service, making it an invaluable asset in any workshop. Its sliding T-slot is ingeniously designed to accommodate various chisel and plane blade sizes. Further enhancing its precision is a micro-adjustment knob that ensures users can achieve the exact sharpening angle required. An integral part of this kit is the setting gauge, clearly marked with bevel angles ranging from 20 degrees to 35 degrees, facilitating accurate and hassle-free sharpening sessions. Beyond these features, the user-centric design of the HG4 truly sets it apart. Its vast versatility supports a wide array of sharpening tasks. Couple this with its unparalleled accuracy, and every chisel and blade gets honed to perfection. For artisans who refuse to compromise on quality and endurance, the HG4 is indeed the pinnacle of honing guides. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.